Hello everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my exceptionally spooky kitchen. You may have noticed that today we have a Halloween special because Halloween. We will be making some really sweet looking and also spooky, they're spoopy, cute and spooky, Halloween ghost cupcakes. So, first thing we're going to make is the meringues, aka the little ghosts on top. For the meringue, you'll need egg whites, custard sugar, vinegar, and vanilla extract. Now the vinegar is to stabilize the eggs and make it fluffier. We'll add the eggs in the mixer. And the egg whites, the vinegar, and we'll start mixing this until it's frothy and looks like bubble bath. Okay, as you can see, this now looks foamy. It looks like a bubble bath. That's what you want it to look. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to add spoonful by spoonful of sugar until it reaches the consistency you want. The meringue is now ready. You'll know it's ready when you'll put a bit on your finger and you can feel if there's any sugar granules. If you can feel them, continue mixing. And you want it to be at a stiff peak like this. This is a stiff peak. It's standing up straight. Another test to see if it's ready, but you have to trust the fact that you've done it right, which is you flip it over your head. If you got meringue on your head, continue mixing. Look at that beautiful texture. Love meringue. Now, put this in the piping bag and start piping. This is all in the piping bag. All we're going to do now is pipe out the little ghosts. Just do a donut. Okie doke, these are now piped. We're going to put them in the oven, which is already preheated. We're gonna turn the oven down to 100 and let them bake for 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the cupcakes. We're gonna make chocolate cupcakes. Super good. The ingredients you'll need to make them are flour, bicarbonate of soda and salt, buttermilk, eggs, oil, flavorless oil, cocoa powder, coffee, and sugar. Add the eggs. The oil. Now the coffee won't make it taste of coffee, it will just enhance the chocolate. Buttermilk. And we'll mix it until the eggs are incorporated. And now we'll add the dry ingredients, the cocoa powder. Make sure you sieve this because you don't want lumps of cocoa. So now we'll mix the dry ingredients in until they're incorporated. Now that the batter is mixed, we have a spoon. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of batter into each cupcake. The cupcake cases are now filled. We're going to put them in a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Now we're gonna make the icing for the cupcakes. You'll need butter, you need some butter, icing sugar, and cocoa powder. The first thing we're going to do is put the butter in the mixer and mix it until it's considerably lighter in color. Oh, come on now. Oh. Mix away. Butter is now lighter and it is fluffier than it was. We'll add in half of the icing sugar. We'll add the cocoa powder. We'll put this on a very, very low speed. If not, you'll get a cloud of icing sugar and cocoa powder in the air. It will smell nice, but you know, don't think you'd want to, you know. So very slow, so I don't get wafted with icing sugar. Okay, so now we're just have to assemble it. As you can see, I have piped the black dots on the meringue, so now they look like little ghosts. Okay, I have the buttercream that I've just placed in a piping bag, and I'll pipe a dollop of icing on each by the ghost. Now all we'll do is place the meringue on top. And there you have it, these sweet little ghost cupcakes. Let's see how we go. Oh god. That's super, really good. And the soft, fluffy cupcake, the icing, the cup is really, really good. And the little crunchy meringue ghost on top. That's really nice. You should absolutely make them. If you do, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a lovely Halloween and see you next week. Bye bye.